Abushia can Paluta dra aye.
No, this is so far. I didn't see my life.
Chelisa Ghana Music Awards Abushia. I'm the all the nomination aba. Na can Paluta ne bonyo so. Aye. Can Paluta say was submitting nyom into so many categories. Ni nyina no ne nyom no anya nomination. Entine watwele ten samin kan na me former tifu amohwe me. Ene ahwefo amohwe me na tifu a eye muti Kama Studios. Ene ahwefo amohwe Kama Studios at this moment. Ochemu a the TGMA ne yere Abushia ne bonyo so. TGMA na kuma songa eye wa mama kuma nyami ya hwapa ma baby me nya de eye mi do odo papa bi me nya de eye mi do mama kuma nyami ya hwapa ma baby me do odo papa bi me ose an je TGMA ni ye no enye fe je TGMA ni ye no enye kama
no mu di watem no makonya sa de ko so bodo fe
wantana ho me yesi guru na TGMA ne timatwam cause ne season na etwam na etwam a na se wanya award na bonyo so cause na koma de and before the campaign Emma sisi anu nyum no fa all over the world ukonkurasi ba bia ankara no to Makoma ye me ya abushia ma memfa wo munra Paluta ne krata for 2010 de koma TGMA a waka chom se da bi omonsan enwe hu bi na ne nwom no de one monya adwen now hi Kama Studios and dey kan. Don't forget to subscribe to our platform on YouTube at Kama Studios, Facebook at Salifa Abdul, TikTok at Kama Studios. Na bi akoso kama. Afei ma mfo mura ensem ni nyina mu endra na Paluta relate by 18th March 2025. Ena Paluta say this letter is submitted to the board of Telisa Ghana Music Awards. Yes, title what to the petition on Makoma snob or snobby Makoma in the music category. Betre ni na Makoma on one kasa submit so snobby no nyum ni na abusua. Enti we say we humbly write to honorable board to demand some explanation in connection with the snob of Makoma by Paluta, a song we duly submitted for consideration, which we believe remains Ghana's most popular song released under the year of review, generating the most excitement among music lovers till date. We filed Makoma for and a nomination in Abuja categories no and a wachum say there be a filing Makoma for these categories. 1, a most popular song of the year. 2, a record of the year. 3, a high life song of the year. 4, a songwriter of the year by Paluta. Mamen from mungra semono wasan to us what trabas here. See, this concern has become necessary after the team realized none of the categories we submitted the said material for was considered after official nominee announcement. TGMA anyade. Looking at these 4 categories, Makoma was supposed to be nominated for like 3 categories in this. We are omofale 1, most popular song of the year. No card was saying. Under the year of review, there's no single song I catch him say Ghana has say more popular than Makoma song because during the campaign MPP for you man for the year imagine playing your own song, not a political song, not certain political party but tam. No, they campaign all over the year. And imagine the crowd that MPP pool in 2024. Imagine the listeners. And Timanya nomination. 2, record of the year. This song was played all over the country. In Kurasi, rural areas in Yina, deprived areas in our Fawa, near Bobakuma song. Nina Anya nomination. 3, to me, high life song of the year. It is supposed to be because Makoma song is a high life song. Nina Anya nomination. Songwriter of the year, that one, I doubt it because I don't feel like Makoma. The lyrics and everything was good, but and yet deep. Say a really high life song of the year to me personally. Philly say it is supposed to be a nomination. There, it was a nomination, but to win it, no, I doubt it. And I say we believe in the competence of the TGMA board and trust that convincing reason be issued to our team, music enthusiasts and general public on this unpopular decision of the board. We are confident that Makoma breaches no moral or ethical requirement of the board and will be ready to engage for possible consideration of the song in categories submitted for earlier. Eda Paluta, Ediaba, yours sincerely, the management, Paluta Abusia. Paluta and Semina Abusia short. Makoma song. For baby, wa Makoma nyamia, Chapa, my baby, amina, the Yamidu, Odo, Papa, baby, Nina, Abusia, I am nomination.
Paluta, yeah, it's the Paluta, yeah. Go in, mama, ready, go in, mama. I can't Johnny, ready, go in, mama.
With this 4 nominations, that was your high life song of the year, no? Record of the year, no? We call hip life. Songwriter of the year, no? Most popular song of the year, no? In Paluta set no stremo. Moman and Chemu. Nienti and Mutima snobby a Makoma song out of these 4 categories no one tells here. Because he thinks, say, one in the team, no, or Martin said, Debbie, ye drink wine and tell when the guru or the medical memo, hey, or the medical memo, hey, hikma, hikma, the Yinachi, Abusha TGMA award bia. Paluta said there be ne bonyo so. Mon fa nchire mumra if he say nyomo no de watena se atwro ahyehye. Na ne nyomo no watena se wu say there be ends. Efi bia ni hu kekan bia ni hu eche say this 4 categories ne de I was saying ke bom. Enye sa Paluta said ne bonyo so. One day or trusted the TGMA board on when you some of your competence. Omo bi omo incompetence. Omo bi omo sisifo, omo bi omo akronfo, omo bi omo favoritism into osram omo fa nchire mumra. Na Paluta no nyomone te abusia. To me, these 4 categories it was supposed to nominate it, and the first 3 there abusia I was saying, but songwriter of the year I doubt it. Aye, songwriter of the year I doubt it. Songwriter of the year I think say the categories a water. You will make another video explaining to yourself which song was supposed to win the songwriter of the year, because under the year of review abusia ko fa bonyumpa Nyuma Kofa Bono Kofi Kinata also released an EP, and imagine if Kofi Kinata is in songwriter of the year, what is pushing you that you are going to win? Because the guy has already cemented himself in that field. Into year the last year family team no boredom. So this is the trending story that is going on online. Paluta posted on Facebook a letter to TGMA why it is not Makoma on these 4 categories. Abushia, hi, come to this. If it is your first time, click on the bell, subscribe, put us on post notification so there be any updates. We didn't have some. I'm out.